Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Golf Style 1.5 TSE 150B Estate in stunning blue. This powerhouse boasts a 1.5 litre petrol engine with 150 horsepower and only 385 kilometres on the clock. Loaded with luxurious comfort and accessories like air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control and more. Stay safe with security features like collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning and multiple airbags. For style, enjoy the Illuminated Logo, cup holders and luxury trim. With safety features like ABS, parking assistance and intelligent speed assist, this Golf has it all. Don't forget the chrome package and spoiler for added flair. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and is serviced to manufacturer specs. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more details.